Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video showing you guys how to create a histogram or even a box and whisker plot on your calculator. Okay, just like when you find the one variable statistics on your calculator, you're going to start by hitting the stat button and making sure to enter data. And I've entered a bunch of random numbers here just to show you, go through this tutorial quickly. Once you enter your data, you're going to hit second and stat plot, which is up here. You can see that my first plot is highlighted. I'm gonna press enter and make sure that it is turned on. Okay, so you can toggle and press enter and you can see that right now it is on is highlighted. Okay, you can see that right there. Now, if you look at the types of graphs here, this is how your calculator is going to graph the information. So first of all, we have points. Okay, that first option is just to plot points. The second option is to create a graph using your points, so a line. Third option is your histogram. And then down in the center, is your box and whisker plot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and highlight the histogram, and you can see it is asking for your frequency. Your frequency here, right? Leave that at 1. We do not want to change that. This is the intervals it is going by. And then we have our X list, right? Which is the data we want to use. Right now, list 1 is highlighted, which is perfect because that is where I put my data into list 1. Okay, so second y equals, enter. And once you do this, it'll stay, the graph will stay with the settings you have typed in until you go in and change them. So once you have this done, okay, I'm gonna exit out of here by pressing clear. You are then going to press zoom, and you are going to scroll down to zoom stat. So zoom 9 is our zoom stat, and that's just telling our graph to focus on our data points. Okay, now you can see that by pressing zoom 9, I have my histogram done for me. Same rule applies if we are looking at a box and whisker plot. You see how my plot 1 is highlighted? All I did was hit y equals. When your stat plot is turned on, okay, these will be highlighted. So I'm not interested in looking at my stat data anymore. We're gonna turn that off. All you have to do is go up and highlight it, press enter, and you can see that it is now off. Okay, you can also do this by going to second y equals and turning it off manually in the options of stat plot.